Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can optimize your website or your website speed and performance. And yeah, there are a few tricks you can do to make your website load much faster, and this I want to show you in the video. And yeah, there's nothing worse than you having a really slow website. So when somebody clicks on your website or search for some terms in Google and clicks on your website, and the website takes so long to load, and then this is really bad for the user experience. And yeah, I want to show you real quick how you can optimize your website, in specifically WordPress and WooCommerce websites. So I want to show you in this example. Here's my little test shop. Let's copy this and copy the URL and go to GT-Metrix. So GT-Metrix is a really great tool to test website speeds, and it's completely free. You don't have to log in or sign up or something like this, and simply go to the website GT-Metrix.com. I also will put the link for this website and every other tool I use here in this video in the video description down below, so you can click on it and you don't have to type it in. So okay, here we are in GT-Metrix. Let's paste our website in here and go to test your site. This will take a little bit because GT-Metrix opens your website or try to open your website and analyze all the things that are going on right now on your website. And when this test is ready, we have a really good display that shows us everything what's going on our website, and why it's taking so long and which elements are loading on our website. So yeah, this is GT-Metrix doing right now, so it's almost ready. And yeah, most of the times why a website is slow, mainly it's because of large images. So because yeah, images, you put images on your website, and this is the main reason why a website is slow. And so let's take a look here right now, here real quick. So my performance overall and the structure, and this is the complete loading time. It's 5.2 seconds, and this is really slow. And in the best case, your website is between 2 and 3 seconds, or even lower. If your website loads in 1 second, then it's absolutely fantastic. But you should aim for 2 to 3 seconds load time. So let's take a look here what this tells us. So the first thing is TTFB. It's time to first byte. So this is the website response time, and this is not good as well, because for the website to respond, it takes 2.3 seconds, and yeah, this is not good. And this is mainly because I use so much plugins on this website. And if you're creating a WordPress website, so make sure to use to not use so much plugins. I think 10 to 15 is okay, but try to reduce the plugins you are using on your website, because every plugin you are installing on your website slows it down, because the code has to load and stuff like this. And yeah, so okay, and then after time to first byte, then we are loading our website. You can see this first screen here. There an image is trying to load here, and if we go a little bit further down, you can see a high priority is reduce initial server response time. Okay. Then the next thing is something with caching, and okay, and here is something really important, properly image size. You can see if you click on it, you can see what kind of images are there and how big they are. And yeah, let's try to optimize this website. So first of all, on this website here, I don't have any caching plugin installed. Let's try to install a caching plugin and let's see the results of it. So let's go to plugins and add new. And let's go to the plugin search bar here and let's search for WP Optimize. Oh, misspelled it. Optimize. This way. So, and this WP Optimize, this is, I think, one of the best caching plugins and speed plugins. So let's click on Install Now. And now the plugin gets installed, and for whatever reason, I always get this message that the installation got failed, but it's installed, and I don't know what's going on here. And maybe if you installed, then it tells you install successful, and you have an activate button here. So yeah, try to use this. There are so many caching plugins out there, but I think this is the best caching plugin, the best free caching plugin. So let's go to installed plugins and let's activate it. Where is it? There it is. It's installed, and let's enable the auto update and go to activate. Takes a little bit, and when this plugin is activated, then yeah, activated. Now we can go to the settings tab, and we have to make a little. We have to make here the settings for this plugin. We can now we are here in the settings tab. Now we can enable admin bar. Yeah, that's good. We need this. This is okay. We have nothing. Okay, save. This is everything what we have to do here. Then we can go to database, and we can click here on run all selected optimization. Make sure to select everything here, and click on optimize everything, so that the WordPress database gets optimized by the plugin, and the plugin is doing a really good job in optimizing our databases. It takes a little bit, but we can now go to the next tab and leave this in the background. Tables, I think everything is good here, and settings, so we can choose, this is good, we can click this, and we can enable the scheduled cleanup of our database. So weekly is good. We can select this first thing, and then we can click on save. And now let's get back to optimization. I think it's almost ready, but we can leave this in the background. So then the next step is that we go to images. And this is really important that you check this here, automatically compress newly added images. So if you add an image, then this specific image get optimized by the plugin itself automatically. This is really good. Here you can set the compression level. So it is on custom, it is in the middle, it's good. You can see all the images we have here on this website. So, and yeah, this is great. There's no save button. Okay. These are premium features. We don't need them. And now let's go on top here to the caching. This is really important as well. So we have to enable our caching. Now the caching is enabled, and we can save this. Okay, perfect. Preload. We can click on preload now. This is good. And we can schedule preload is good. Yeah, check this and click on save. Everything is saved. Advanced settings, there's nothing gzip, there's everything good. Okay, perfect. Then we can go to Minify, and then Minify is that compresses our the CSS and JavaScript and HTML files. This is also very important. Enable this, and yeah, everything is good. Okay, perfect. I think that's it for now. So let's get back to our GT-Metrix here. And we have 5.2 seconds. Let's click on retest. And let's see how we are now. And also I will link the caching plugin in the video description down below. And yeah, WP, what was it called? WP Optimize, exactly, that was the name of the plugin. It's really good. I will link it in the video description down below so you can check it out. Okay, now we are a little bit better. We are down to 3.7 seconds. That's much better. And also the time to first byte is much better. It's under 1 second. This is great. And yeah, now I want to show you another thing. So here on my homepage, I have a very large image. This image here I put in here. It's almost 1 megabyte. So if you are using a Mac, then here's the image. Let me check real quick information. This image, yeah, it's 713 kilobytes large, and it's really big for such an image. And if you are using a Mac, then you can simply go to quick actions and convert image. My PC language is German, so yeah, that's why. Then you can go convert image and make it too big, and now it's only 108 kilobyte. This is much better. And this is what you should do with every image on your website. So imagine you have a lot of images, and before you load it onto your website or you load it into your Elementor page builder, make sure to reduce the file size, because file size really matters. And every image you put on there, the computer of your potential customer or your user have to download the image before it can display it on the computer. And yeah, it's really important that you are make the images as small as possible. And if you don't use a Mac, you can use an online tool like this JPEG. Holy shnikes. You simply have to click here, and you can upload an image to this website, and this website will compress the image for you, and you can download the compressed image from here. And yeah, this is a really good website. It's free, and it does the job really well. And I will also link this website in the video description down below. And if you have optimized all the images of your website, then the loading time, overall loading time is much better of your website. And yeah, you can play around with it. Take a look here what the website should tell you, what you can do. So there are a lot of things you can do. Especially here in the tab properly image size, you can see every image that is really large. For example, this image on my website, I can compress this image because 252 kilobyte is very big, and I could go and compress this image manually or upload it to this website and let this website do the job for me, and then yeah, change the image with the smaller one. And also, yeah, it's very important that you are using a very good caching plugin. So I have the best experience with WP Optimize. Yeah, so that's it for the video, I think. If you have any questions about optimization and so on, then you can write it down in the comments, and I will try to answer all your questions. And yeah, that's it for the video. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, or better, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will update videos for WordPress and WooCommerce every week, and so you never missed a new video from me. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.